Hello guys, welcome to Tech NXT YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to talk about the topic the headset is connected but no output sound. In this video I'm going to teach you two methods to solve this problem. Without talking much, let's go to the video. So guys, first you should go to the sound settings, and guys, under the sound settings you should go to all sound devices. Now we are talking about the first method, okay? So then we should go to the headphones. After that you can see an interface like this. So here we can adjust or edit the settings of your headphone. So here, give me a second, wait. Here you should mainly focus on this audio because you can see this option, right? So you should allow this, because if you are not allowing your headphone to apps which are installed to your computer, we cannot hear sound when we access to the installed apps. So if we click allowed option right next to the audio, we can hear a clear output. We can get a clear output when we access to the apps which are installed to your computer, if not your other devices. So next we should mainly focus on the volume, because if this volume is 0, you cannot hear anything from your headphone. Then you should put this volume to 100%. Then you can hear a clear output from your headphone. So that's the first method. Now let's move on to the second method. So again you should go to the sound settings, and you should go to the last option, more sound settings. And after you go to more sound settings, you can see an interface like this. Next you should go to the headphone. You should right click on the headphone and you should go to the properties. And in the properties, guys, you should mainly focus on this device usage, because for an example, if the device usage is enabled, that means your headphone is working to your device. So in a case, if this is disabled, that means your headphone is not working to your computer or your other devices. So that is the second method. So now we have come to the end of our video. So subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching this video.